So hey guys, Seedance 2.0 4K is free for everyone. You don't have to pay anything. So for free users, you just sign up and then just put your credit card. It's not going to charge you anything. But if for current users, you can go here on Higgsfield.ai. As you can see, it's a free Seedance 2.0 4K. You can generate up to 10 seconds, one at a time. So you can click here or click here. That's the same thing. And once you click here, it's going to show you this. And what you want to do is you want to click 4K right here and auto. So depending on what you want to aspect ratio and up to 10 seconds. So just maximize that. And then we're going to put it on, high compression with the sound on, and you generate for free. As you can see, I'm logged in and I have less than 180 credits left, but this requires 220 credits. And you can see what other people are generating right here with Seedance 2.0 4K. A lot of cool things you can generate with this. As you can see, I'm going to try to generate one generation with this right now. So what I do is I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for my two characters right here. So I'm going to test Seedance 2.0 4K, and this is going to be a dinosaur thing. So I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna go back to here, and I uploaded the characters to use in Higgsfield so I can use my character, and I'm gonna use them here by pasting the prompt, and it's already included the character right here named Elena and Andrew, so it's gonna show these two characters right here attached. I uploaded these reference image already, and as you can see, let's generate this. So let's do 4K 10 seconds, and that's gonna cost 220 credits, but it's free. So let's just generate. It says it's free generation day, all free generation on Seedance 2.0 4K. Posted to public feed. Anyone can view your videos and the prompts you use. This applies only to free generation. Anything you generate with credits stay private. So I say I agree. Generate publicly. Say something wrong. Let me see. So it's showing a quick check, so it's not going to be a robot starting the generation. And as you can see, a lot of people are generating a bunch of 4K videos. That's kind of cool. It looks really, really cool. Let me see my generations right here. So it says this has been 1,862 generations made, 3,201 creators generating right now, and you have 21 hours left before pre-gens expire. And we're gonna view what I just generated. Let's go to the video right here. By the way, if you want 11 day of unlimited Seedance 2.0 4K, you can go here. So it's gonna be unlimited. And if you wanna be faster, so right now mine is processing, you can use your credits to generate. It's gonna be way faster. And if you subscribe, it's gonna have Seedance 2.5 coming soon right here, which can generate up to 30 seconds video. So as you can see, let's see how much it costs to get unlimited Seedance 2.0 4K. So that's $750 for 7 days. So actually 4 days of unlimited. Then you get 7 days of unlimited Seedance, any other Seedance model. So 720p or 1080p. And right now, go and generate yours. So it's going to take a little bit of time to generate. And let me show you one of this. So this is 4K. So this is the prompt, as you can see. And it's in 4K. It looks pretty cool. Let's see other things you can watch right here. So like, look at the details of the image. There's nothing much going on right here. Let's see if there's something else we can watch. So the results are so clear. It's 10 seconds. You can generate even more. So you can generate 10 seconds and then 10 seconds and then 10 seconds. Let's see this basketball game. So that looks really sharp. Yeah, I can't wait for 30 seconds 4K. Let's see this one. Cool transformation. So we use 2 image samples reference here. I guess that's him. And you can see other really cool. Let's see this one. A lot of really cool people creating content right here. This is from a photo. Right, so that's actually, yeah, as you can see. So details is pretty great. Let's see, what can I do here? Pretty cool fighting scene.
这就是修仙院啊！这里好多修仙者啊！我要不要接个任务试试？
你是新来的？
我刚到修仙院。
So that's a Chinese movie cartoon. So that was pretty cool. Let's see, this is a
Auto.
Cool commercial. So 10 seconds is pretty good. Quality is crisp. As you can see, you can generate in portrait mode or landscape mode. This is a Roblox movie, and let's see this. Cool, you can simulate anyone fighting, doing boxing matches. Cool, pretty epic this one.
Hello? Is there anyone here?
So 4K is native, and it's better than upscaling from 40p or 720p. And as you can see, Okay, so that was
So we go into the abandoned storage unit.
Now, why on earth would we do that?
I heard some rumors they're experimenting there.
okay. So let's see if mine was generated. So feel free to go to Higgsfield .ai/Seedance 4K, and it's gonna take a while to generate this, I think, because a lot of people are generating. Cool. 10 seconds. So this looks AI. Okay, we're gonna cut here. And let's see this one. So the thing about 4K is that if you, generate an AI slop, it's gonna cost you a lot of credits to recreate this. So I suggest you having the right prompt and then generate in 4K after that. So yeah, so go ahead and you have 21 hours left before free gen expires.